Hi foodies, and welcome back to Matthew's Culinary Corner. Today we are going to make some short crust pastry, and don't worry, it's really super easy to make. Short crust pastry is the classic choice for things like quiche. It's flaky, it's tender, it's crumbly, and it's made from a simple mixture of flour, butter and iced water. Short crust pastry serves for the base of classics like pies and tarts. And if you want a sweet crust pastry, just add 50 grams of sugar. So how are we going to bring this together? Pretty simple. We just take the flour, add it to the bowl, add in the butter, then we're going to use our fingers and we're going to make almost like breadcrumbs. Then, if necessary, we'll add some water to make it bind. And then we'll combine it into a ball, and you can either use it straight away or you can chill it up to 3 days. The pastry can also be frozen for up to a month, so plenty of time to use it. So what have I got here? I've got 140 grams of cold butter cut up, and then I've got 280 grams of flour, so twice the flour to the butter ratio. Pretty simple. And I've got 2 to 4 tablespoons of cold water. All right, let's get baking. All right, so I'm just going to bring the flour in, and I'll put the butter in. And as I said, with clean hands, just get in there with your fingers and put the butter through the flour. Just put it over your thumbs, through your fingers, and eventually it's going to make the flour all nice and crumbly. This will probably only take about 2 to 3 minutes. Great, so now you see it's in breadcrumbs, and we're just going to combine some water to bring it together. Do a tablespoon at a time. So I'm going to use 2 to start, I can tell. I'm just pressing it together, seeing if it's going to combine. Take it out of the bowl and just push it into a ball. And you can either use plastic wrap, or I just use a little Ziploc. Put it in, and then that goes into the fridge, and we're done. There's our short crust pastry, and that's pretty good for one pie or tart. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed making that pastry. As I said, it was very, very simple, right? So you don't have to be afraid, and let's find a recipe to use it.